Want to create a faceless YouTube channel using only AI? In this video, I'll show you the entire process, step by step. You don't need a camera, microphone, or editing experience. All you need are the right AI tools, and I'll show you exactly how to use them. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. Prompt ChatGPT with something like, write a YouTube script titled Top 5 AI Tools for Beginners in 2025. ChatGPT gives you a full script you can copy and paste. Step 2. Use Pictory to turn that script into a video. Paste your script into Pictory's Script to Video feature. Pictory will auto-generate scenes, visuals, and captions for each sentence. You can edit text, change visuals, or add voiceovers and music. Export your video, it's ready to upload. Step 3. Upload your video to YouTube. Add a title, description, and tags using SEO keywords. Use a thumbnail that pops, and create a strong call to action. Congratulations! You just made a faceless YouTube video using AI from start to finish. Subscribe to Prompt Flow 2 for more tutorials like this every week.